Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. This crown cowl is made only with 2 different colors and basic crochet stitches. It makes a fantastic gift. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to crochet the crown cowl, you will need 2 colors. I'm using worsted acrylic yarn from Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice in pale green, pale gray, as well as purple. You will also need a G+ crochet hook. Start with a chain of 80. I'm going to make a smaller version just so that you can see everything on camera. It is crocheted in a multiple of 8, so if you want to make your cowl bigger or smaller, you can adjust it accordingly. Once you're done, slip stitch to the first chain that you made, keeping 80 stitches in total. Now start with a double crochet or an equivalent of it. So I'm using the alternative turning chain or a stacked single crochet. Start with a single crochet and then insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger. Pull up a loop and finish it up like another single crochet. This is equivalent to a double crochet and counts as a stitch. Now crochet 4 more double crochets, 1 in each stitch. Chain 2. Skip 1 stitch and crochet 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Now chain 2. Skip 1 stitch and now repeat the entire sequence again. So that means you're going to do 5 double crochets, then a chain of 2, skip 1 single crochet, skip 1 and repeat. After you made the last 2 chains, slip stitch to the first stitch. I like to do the invisible slip stitch. So I'm pulling my loop back with the hook. Now I'm dropping my color and I'm starting with the next color. Attach the gray color and start with a single crochet. Crochet 4 more single crochets, 1 in each stitch, so 1 on top of each a double crochet. Now chain 1 and crochet 1 double crocheted bobble down to that single crochet. So that means you're going to crochet 3 unfinished double crochets all in that same stitch. And then have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 and chain 1. Now you will repeat that. So 1 single crochet on top of each double crochet, then chain 1, 1 bobble stitch and chain 1 and repeat until the end of the round. After the last chain of 1, do an invisible slip stitch. You're going to stay with this color for now. Start with 1 alternative turning chain or some equivalent of a double crochet. Now we're going to do a shift of what we did down here with the purple. So you're now going to chain 2, skip 1 and crochet 1 single crochet. Now chain 2 and skip 1, crochet 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. The chains count as a stitch, and then you're going to repeat that. So chain 2, skip 1 single crochet, chain of 2, and then 5 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. Now repeat that entire sequence until the end of the round. You should finish with 4 double crochet stitches since you started with 1 already. Once you're done, do an invisible slip stitch and change colors. Drop the other color simply down or into the back, and now start with a single crochet, then a chain of 1 and a bobble stitch just like we did previously, but this time with the purple. Chain 1, Crochet 1 single crochet on top of each of these double crochet stitches. And now repeat that. So chain of 1 double crochet bobble stitch with 3 double crochets, chain of 1, and now the single crochet stitches. Repeat until the end. You should finish with 4 single crochet stitches. Once you're done, slip stitch to the first stitch. I did the invisible way. Now you're going to repeat the last 4 rounds. You're going to continue that until you have 7 striped colors with this pattern. Then fasten off and weave in your ends, and you're done with your cowl. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos. And the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.